Okay, question 9. The function f is defined for all real values of x as that function. It's quadratic, isn't it? Where c is constant. Given that the range of f of x is less than or equal to 19, find the value of c. Okay, well this is a quadratic equation. This is quadratics, isn't it, that we're dealing with here? The range of a function, quadratic, the range is from its vertex. So we need to find the vertex of this quadratic. That's the crucial thing. And we know that the vertex of the quadratic is at 19. So let's think about what that means. We could do it by differentiation or by completing the square. Completing the square. So if we think about completing the square on it, there's the equation. Now I don't know how happy you feel about doing a completing the square. Maybe you prefer to take the minus sign out as a factor and think about it as being x squared minus 8x plus c. That's true, isn't it? So when we complete the square inside that bracket, half of the minus 8 is minus 4. Square that is plus 16. So that's minus x squared minus 8x plus 16. Now this is the odd thing here. We've added 16, but we're taking it away. So to undo that taking away 16, we're going to have to add 16. So we get to that point. So minus x minus 4 all squared plus 16 plus c. And what we know is that the range of this is less than or equal to 19. That tells us that 16 plus c must be equal to 19. And there it is. So c is 3. Remember, if you want to do a quick check of this, you have your friendly neighbourhood calculator, and your calculator will let you do a polynomial of degree 2 that is minus x squared plus 8x plus 3, and that has a maximum of 19. You know, if you scroll through the options that it gives you, and that's a good check, isn't it? We're just making sure that we've got that one right. That's a nice calculated check, I thought. Part 2. Given instead, so now c isn't 3, given instead that f of 2 is 8, find the possible values of c. Right, f of 2 is equal to 8. Well, f of 2 is c plus 16 minus 4. So that is c plus 12. So that means when we input c plus 12 into the function f, we get an answer of 8. Does that make sense? That's quite an efficient way of doing it rather than trying to do it all at once. So if I input c plus 12, that means that, that gives me c plus 8 times c plus 12 minus c plus 12 squared is equal to 8. I've got a quadratic again. So c plus 8c plus 96, minus c squared plus 24c plus 144 is equal to 8. Collecting like terms together, it's not very nice, is it? Gives me minus c squared. What have I got there? 9 take away 24 is 15. And then I've got 96 minus 144, which is 48, minus 48 take away another 8. So that's minus 56 is 0. So actually c squared plus 15c plus 56 is 0. They're all coming out quite nice, all of these quadratics, aren't they, on this paper? That's interesting. So c plus 7, c plus 8 is 0, c is minus 7, c is minus 8 are the possible values, both values. There's nothing that says that c has to be any particular thing. So there we go. 2 solutions. Great. Good, and that's maths.